One bite at a time? Last week we took a really fast look at the Bible, how it was written, how the message spread, how it came to us as one book. Then I invited you to read the New Testament with me this year, 260 chapters, only 5 to 7 chapters a week, and I'll explain as we go, one healthy bite at a time. We'll call it whole brain Bible reading. We'll use 100% whole brain engagement, logic, emotion, imagination, and conversation. We'll use it all, remember? Okay, now we all know how easy it is to make the Bible say whatever we want it to say. Just grab a few verses and we can prove anything. So we're going to use an approach called probe. That's P-R-O-B-E. This will help us to have a balanced approach to the text we read without forgetting anything. Here's how it works. On Monday, I send you a video talking about 5 to 7 chapters in the New Testament. Then you'll have a whole week to read those same 5 to 7 chapters for yourself. Not really very hard, and it won't take much time. You can even read a chapter a day if you like. But if you want to really get something out of this, you can also probe those very same chapters. Here's how. Monday, P equals pre-read and pray. So you just read those chapters and pray. Tuesday, R equals recap. Read them again and recap what you read. Wednesday, O equals observe. Read them again and start asking the author questions like, why did you say that? Why are you giving me this information? What did you mean by this word? Why did you say this way instead of another way? Thursday, B equals brainstorm. This is where you might open your study Bible or a commentary and read the notes they have listed. But you don't start here. You always want to read and think for yourself first. Friday, E equals engage. This is where you put everything you've read into practice. I'll show you more as we go. Of course, it's up to you how much you do. But this can be a very exciting way to read the New Testament. We'll start with Luke Acts because it tells a whole story. Then we'll follow this chart and in this order. You can stop the video and look at the chart if you want to, but my 3 minutes are up. I'll see you next week.